ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു GKC ട്യൂട്ടോറിയൽസ്. നമ്മുടെ ചാനൽ ആദ്യം കാണുന്നവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ GKC ട്യൂട്ടോറിയൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, തൊട്ടടുത്ത് കാണുന്ന ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ജോയിൻ മെമ്പർ ആക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നവർ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുൻപ് തങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ലഭ്യമാണ് എന്ന് ഉറപ്പാക്കിയതിനു ശേഷം ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുക. ലഭ്യമായ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ഏതെന്നറിയാൻ ചാനലിലെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ് പരിശോധിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകാം. ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോ ഡെയറി ഫാം ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ടർ ഈ എക്സാമിന്റെ ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ ആണ്. ഇതിന്റെ കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 153/2019 ആണ്. 11/9/2020 നടന്ന എക്സാമിന്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആണ്. നേരെ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകാം. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫിസിക്സ് വിഭാഗത്തു നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്, അത് നോക്കാം. Zener diode is used for regulating supply voltage so that they are constant. For this, Zener diode should be answer option B, reverse biased. At the center of the earth, value of acceleration due to gravity is correct answer option C, 0. Next, a nucleus of mass number A has a radius. Answer option A. R is equal to R0 A raised to 1/3. Elastic collision does not conserve. Answer option D, potential energy. Hydrogen atom spectrum. The series in the visible region is correct answer option C, Balmer series. Which among the following has higher inertia? Answer option A, Sun. The phenomena explained by the transverse wave nature of light is answer option D, polarization. In a projectile motion, maximum horizontal range is obtained when angle of projection is answer option B, 45 degree. A conductor is placed in an external electric field. The electric field inside a cavity in the conductor is correct answer option Z, 0. Which among the following is not a SI base quantity? Answer option D, electric potential. Resistivity of copper depends on. Answer option A, temperature. Weakest force in nature is. Answer option Z, gravitational force. Two parallel conductors are carrying current in the same direction. The force between them is. Answer option B, attractive. The unit of the physical quantity 1/√μ0 epsilon 0 is correct answer option B, meter per second. Angle between the true geographic north and the north shown by a compass needle is called. Answer option D, declination. Resonant frequency in LCR series circuit is. Answer option A, 1/2π√LC. ഇനി കെമിസ്ട്രി വിഭാഗത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. The chemical name of bleaching powder is. Answer option B, calcium hypochlorite. Bell metal is an alloy of option C, Zu and Sn. Lime water contains. Answer option B, calcium hydroxide. Temporary hardness of water is due to. Answer option B, calcium bicarbonate. Half-life period of carbon-14 used to calculate the age of fossils. Correct answer option B, 5760 years. Alcohol reacts with acid to form. Answer option D, ester. The chemical substance used to reduce body temperature is called. Answer option B, analgesic. The alkali metal found in banana. Answer potassium. The action of water on calcium carbide gives. Answer option Z, acetylene. The fuel gas produced when carbon monoxide combines with nitrogen. Answer producer gas. Ultra pure metals like zirconium and titanium are refined by. Answer option A, Van Arkel method. Lethargy is an ore of. Option A, lead. The process of coating zinc over iron so as to prevent rusting. Answer galvanization. In order to lower the temperature below 0 degree Celsius, the substance mixed with ice is. Correct answer, sodium chloride. Next, dairy വിഭാഗത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അത് നോക്കാം. The presence of ammonium ion is detected by the reagent. Correct answer, option B, Nestle's reagent. The solidified form of carbon dioxide is. Answer, option D, dry ice. The calibration temperature of Quen's lactometer is. Answer, option C, 15.5 degrees Celsius. The National Milk Day is celebrated on. Answer, option B, November 26. Sahiwal is a cattle breed belonging to the class. Correct answer, option A, Milch breed. The enzyme used for the production of cheese is. Answer, option A, rennet. The Operation Flood was launched in. Answer, option D, 1970. Total cattle population in India according to 19th livestock census is. Correct answer, option B, 197.3 million. Next, the one of the heaviest breed of Indian buffaloes with native of Saurashtra, and they are also known as the Bhavnagri. Name the breed is. Correct answer, option A, Jafrabadi. Next, the time and temperature combination for ultra high temperature method of sterilization in milk is. Correct answer, option D, 135 to 150 degrees Celsius for few seconds. The cryoprotectant for spermatozoa used in the frozen semen of bull is. Answer, option Z, glycerol. Streptococcus lactis is one of the most important microorganisms in the dairy industry which come under the group. Answer, option B, mesophilic bacteria. According to Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, that means FSI, the minimum Rickert value for ghee in Kerala is. Correct answer, option D, 26. Highest milk producing state in India is. Answer, Uttar Pradesh. The addition of vitamins and minerals to the milk is known as. Answer, option B, fortification. Khoya is a milk product which comes under. Answer, option D, heat desiccated milk product. Next question, the size of fat globules of the homogenized milk is. Answer, option A, 0.2 to 2 micrometer. Next, according to Bureau of Indian Standards, that means BIS, the pasteurized milk should have standard plate count is. Correct answer, option D, maximum 30,000 CFU/ml. The pioneer species in primary succession on rocks. Answer, option B, lichen. Angina is a disease of dash. Answer, option A, hurt, which is known as suicidal bag of the cell. Answer, option Z, lysosome. Name the stage of meiosis in which crossing over take place. Answer, option D, actine. Deficiency of vitamin C causes. Answer, option B, scurvy. Next, in ruminant animals, the stomach is differentiated into 4 chambers. Out of the 4, one chamber is the true stomach, which secretes gastric juice. Name the true stomach. Answer, abomasum. How many vertebrae are seen in the neck of giraffe? Correct answer, option A, 7. In human beings, 79th organ was discovered recently. Name that new organ associated with alimentary canal of man. Correct answer, option A, mesentery. Next question, pH of blood. Answer, option B, 7.4. Graveyard of RBC. Answer, option C, spleen. Mammary glands are modified. Answer, option C, sebaceous glands. Next question, Klinefelter's syndrome is characterized by. Answer, 44A plus XXY. Next, name the codon which initiates the synthesis of polypeptide chain. Answer option A, AUG. Larva of housefly. Answer option B, maggot. Next question, father of electrocardiography. Answer option B, Beethoven. Next, pond scum is the common name of. Answer option D, Spirogyra. മാത്സ് വിഭാഗത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അത് നോക്കാം. ഇഫ് എ ഈസ് ഇക്വൽ ടു 3689, ബി ഈസ് ഇക്വൽ ടു bracket of 1359, then b minus a is. Answer option Z, 1, 5. In how many ways can 6 men and 5 women be seated at a round table if each woman is to be between 2 men? Answer option A, 14,400. The expansion of a plus b the whole raised to n. Answer option Z, n plus 1. Next question, if E1 is the eccentricity of the conic 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. Conic, and E2 is the eccentricity of the conic 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. Then, correct answer option D. Next, the probability that a non-leap year chosen at random has 52 Friday is. Answer option D, 6/7. Next question, two finite set have m and n elements. The total number of subsets of the first set is 48 more than the total number of subset of second set. The values of m and n are. Correct answer option A, 6 and 4. Question, the solution of the equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 14 and 4x plus 8y is equal to 8 is. Correct answer option C, 4 and minus 1. Next, limit x approaches 5x square plus x minus 30 divided by x minus 5 is equal to dash. Correct answer option D, 11. In an AP, that means arithmetic progression, A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3.5, AN is equal to 10.5. Then N is. Correct answer option B, 2. The perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 6, 0, 0 and 8, 0 is. Answer option Z, 24. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. Answer option B, 1 pair. If the standard deviation of a set of observation is 16 and each observation is divided by minus 4, the standard deviation of the new set of observation will be. Answer option D, 4. 240 degree is equal to dash radians. Correct answer option D, 4 pi by 3. Next, slope of the straight line 4x plus 6y minus 8 is. Answer option B, 2/3. Next question, 3 minus I the whole raised to 2 divided by 2 plus I is equal to dash. Correct answer option B, 2 minus 4I. The solution set of 6x minus 3 greater than or equal to 4x minus 5 is. Correct answer -1 infinity. Okay friends, this is all for today. ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വളരെയധികം യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയെന്ന് തന്നെ വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ മറക്കാതെ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമന്റ് ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഇതുവരെ നമ്മുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് വായിച്ചിരുന്നവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മറക്കാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. സീൻ ദി നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.